A few weeks ago in school, a friend of mine asked me how long it took me to become good enough at hacking to make money with the vulnerabilities that I find and whether he could do it as well. I told him that I started to learn coding with 16 and spent a lot of time doing online hacking challenges or CTFs, but the main skills you need to find your first vulnerabilities could probably be learned in only 1 week. This is also the main purpose of this series: learn hacking in 1 week. The second purpose of this series is to limit the focus to bug bounty hunting. Even though it is pretty cool to be able to say that you can hack into a local network, bug bounty hunting is probably one of the most easiest way to make money with, and if you get as lucky as I did, you even get a CVE ID for your resume. One of the best platform to get started with this is HackerOne. The last thing to mention before I will present to you the actual steps is that what I think is the key to success in bug bounty hunting. Even though in the normal internet vulnerabilities are super easy to find, you need to keep in mind that when it comes to bug bounty hunting, you are approaching targets of companies that actually care about their security. These companies also use automated tools to find their vulnerabilities. This means that you won't be able to find low-hanging fruits. What you need to do instead is look into all aspects of the features they provide on their target and try to figure out where you can make the application do something that it isn't supposed to. I broke this process down into 7 basic concepts that are the fundamental and that I will cover in separate videos. Testing process. Here I will also include how you can hide your identity. Recon. This is about retrieving information about your target. Injections like XSS, SQL injection, code injection and more, to cover the basic exploits, logical input manipulation. This is probably the most important thing, which is manual testing for misbehaviors of the application, bypassing security. For example, web application firewalls, filters, etc., brute forcing bypasses, and finally, hunting on real-world targets. After you have built your foundation and had your first successes, you can then add more advanced topics like cache poisoning or edge side include injection. But for now, I'd recommend to check out HackerOne, and if you want to, you can choose already a target that seems interesting. And for the beginning, just to get started, maybe one that does not offer bounties.